If you're seeing a GOG Error 404, don't worry. This usually means the page can't be found. The link is broken, or there's a temporary issue with the website or your browser. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back to GOG without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, check the URL carefully. This is one of the most common causes of a 404 error. Make sure the link is typed correctly and look for any extra characters, missing letters, or spaces that may have been added by mistake. Even one small typo can send you to a page that doesn't exist. If you copied the link from somewhere, try pasting it again or opening the page from a clean source. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes a 404 error happens because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh can fix it immediately. You can press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. This is a quick fix, but it works surprisingly often when the issue is only temporary. If that doesn't work, go to the GOG homepage instead. Open GOG.com directly in your browser, then search for the game, page, or product manually. If the original link is outdated or removed, searching from the homepage can help you find the correct page much faster. This is especially useful if you are trying to open a store page or support page from an old bookmark. Another effective fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old files that can interfere with loading websites correctly. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear the cache and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and restart it before trying GOG again. This often fixes display issues, stale data, and pages that won't load properly. If the problem still continues, try another browser or device. Switch between Chrome, Edge, and Firefox to see if the issue is isolated to one browser. You can also try your phone, tablet, or another computer. If GOG opens fine on another device, then the problem is likely with your original browser rather than the website itself. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause websites to load incorrectly or return errors that look like a 404. Restart your Wi-Fi router, reconnect to the network, or try another internet connection if possible. If you're on mobile data, switching to Wi-Fi may help. If you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile hotspot or another network to rule out connection problems. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes route your traffic through the wrong region or trigger page errors on some websites. Turn off your VPN, disable any proxy settings, and then reload GOG. If the site works after that, you found the cause. At this point, if GOG is still showing error 404, the page may actually have been removed, moved, or renamed by the website itself. In that case, the best solution is usually to search for the content manually from the homepage or check whether the link is still current. To quickly summarize, start by checking the URL, then refresh the page, go to the homepage, clear browser cache, try another browser or device, check your internet connection, and disable VPN or proxy settings. Those steps fix most GOG 404 issues in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.